Your home's electrical panel has obviously all of the breakers, all the electrical connections for everything in the house. This would include the GFCI location for your outside plugs. So if you're outside of the home and you want to plug something in, you realize there's no power to the outside plugs, likely what's happened is someone has turned off or the GFCI has tripped. And typically this is located next to the electrical panel. The same as upstairs. If there's no power or anything like that, come down, take a look. If the light is off then it's not operating. If it's not, then just push the reset button on the top. Also, the electrical panel, you have all of the breakers for the home. So you'll usually have either at the bottom or the top the main breaker for the home, which is everything in the house, and then from there it's divided to sub breakers. So they'll be of different amperages, different types. The locations for each one, what they control, is approximately labeled here on the door. Now you have, as part of this, these ones with a little white button on them. So what that is that's an arc fault circuit interrupter. The idea with it is that if there's an arc of electricity that forms, the possibility exists for a fire to start, and we don't want that to happen in the house. So the circuit is very sensitive, and if it senses there's an arc, it's going to pop. Now, if it pops, then that means it's safe, which is fine. The challenge, though, is that if it's popped, you can't just turn it back on. You gotta go all the way off, and then all the way on again. The circuits are very sensitive. So something as simple as if you're vacuuming and you unplug the vacuum cleaner without turning it off first, and you sometimes get a little spark, that can cause it to circuit to pop. Even a defective cell phone charger or something else that has a little short in it, that can cause them to pop. They're very, very sensitive. So they're there for protecting you and not having a fire, which is really, really good. So if you have something going on, if you have no power, you lost something, this is where you'd come. And again, if it's part way, you can't just turn it all the way on again. You have to go all the way off, then all the way on again.